Hello everyone, Trastele. So today here I'm teaching in Tibetan dun or dun cho. That means in front. Okay. So here I will give some examples. So see here. 강비 dun 신동 열애. So that means there is tree in front of house. Okay, and then another way of writing, 신동 강비 둔라 열애. So that means in front of the house there is tree. Okay, and then another example, 금비 둔초라 최된 열애. The stupa is in front of monastery. And then another way of writing, 최된 금비 둔라 열애. The in front of monastery, there is a stupa. Okay, and then next, gap or gapcho. So that means behind or backside. Okay. Okay, so example is here. 고이 gapla 창마 열애. The broom is behind the door. Okay, and then another way of writing 창마 고이 gapla 열애. The behind the door there is broom. Okay, and then another example. 이장기 얍초라 세탕열애. The playground is behind the office. Okay, and then another way of writing. 세탕 이장기 얍초라 열애. The behind the office there is playground. Okay, thank you. So today I will stop here, and then if you are watching new, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because I will upload more and more videos.